Introducing AssessTEAM's robust advertising KPI list, a goldmine of performance metrics for evaluating your advertising team. As an HR leader or business owner, assessing your advertising team's performance is paramount. For our brand advertising manager, Jessica Martin, let's center our attention on brand advertising manager job objectives. These KPIs aren't just metrics, they serve as a roadmap for enhancing her campaign strategy and media planning skills. Next up, setting up periodic evaluations. Think of them as milestones on our team's journey to success. During these evaluations, the entire team contributes via self-assessments and peer feedback, fostering collaboration and engagement. Simply click on Add a new evaluation and select the periodic evaluation template to commence. Fill in the title, send date and repeat interval. Enter the team name, choose the appropriate evaluator levels, and proceed to access your curated advertising KPIs. Advanced options permit customization, and signature options can require signatures at the evaluation's conclusion. Click Save and confirm to dispatch the evaluations. Navigate to the Pending Evaluation section and click on Start Evaluation to concentrate on crucial performance areas, including improve ad engagement rate, reduce time to market for new campaigns, leave your notes to provide comprehensive feedback, improve return on ad spend, increase the brand's share of voice. These KPIs enable diligent monitoring of campaign strategies and media budget optimization, empowering informed decision. Now click the Finish Evaluation button to submit your feedback. Optionally, you may sign the evaluation to bolster its credibility. Navigate to the Team section, select the advertising team, and unveil insights into month-on-month performance, identifying areas of excellence and opportunities for refinement. Compare team member performance, monitor overall team result areas, and review all completed evaluations conveniently. AssessTEAM transcends mere performance management software. It emerges as your ally in sculpting a high-performing advertising team.